Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. We had our variety service this morning online, and it's after lunch now. Just getting outside after a good meal.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of calving out heifers. So later this month, the cows are supposed to start calving. Got Fluff there, the black and white dog. We got Chester. Hey Fluff, what's your problem? It's okay, you don't need. We're also lambing sheep right now. Lambing out sheep. All the sheep we have left, we sold a bunch. We got Romer, got Fluff, we got Chester. We got an old 3800 in here. 3-on feeders. That name is actually Advantage Feeders now. You can control feed your grain. Check them out at huberequipment.com. We also sell all sorts of stuff like this roll oil here, J-Lore. We use everything we sell. So, yeah. An 800. Like I said already, those are Advantage feeders now, not 3-on feeders. I know, puppy. Oh, good job. Good job. So yeah. So I'm gonna give you. Got them some more. We're here. The milk cow here, a couple calves. We have our 2 horses. Dandy, the brown one, and Cappy is the black and white one. Cappy, come here, boy. Come here. We have a 200 here. Here, Cappy. Good horses. Let me show you some more animals here. We got the calves here. They're in this pen with a 160, which is we have M160, which would now be an M8000. Same thing, just 160 chance for 160 bushels. Look at those water flowing. We did all that dirt work last year. Well, what? That's good. Sell these aluminum panels too. You can sell all sorts of stuff. HuberEquipment.com. 1-844-HuberEg. Phone us. You can control feed these feeders. You can also find us on YouTube at Huber Equipment. So there's 2 adjusters in there. Lower adjuster, upper adjuster. We also do custom hang and baling. Got a 567 with net wrap. You got a 535. No net wrap, obviously. 567 without net wrap and a 568 with net wrap. All sorts of machines. We're gonna hop over the fence and continue giving you a machine tour. That's the spread bale. We got a post bounder. That's farms. We got a rake. Got a square baler. Got a bunch of other old feeder stuff that never got sold. Got a Stockman's Choice Squeeze. We got a 2320 swather. 21 foot pickup reel. Got a gas engine. I would love that I had a diesel, but it don't. Windows gone on this. We went through 2 of those already. First one got knocked out on the swath remover. Same with the second one, I'm pretty sure. Like the swath, it goes sideways on there, and the truck tire probably kicked up a rock. We have a ramp here we use for unloading containers. Jump off that. We have our cattle trailer. Jump to the other side. We have a Heston 1170 hay-bine. Pretty sure it's a 15 foot maybe. Yeah, because this is a 14 foot. This, my brother broke. So I took he wrecked I'll go show you the arm that comes out the front that I had to take off. We have to find another one of those, then we could have 2 hay-bines this summer. Here we go. It's up here. It's there. In the garage. I can't really. Right. Got some more hay rakes. We got another old yellow thing that we never use. That used to be our main one until we got this one and the other one. This is our H&S rake. It's a fluffer with a 3-wheel rake that swings out to that side. And we have us a disc line. We have 1441. We pull this with our 4450. John Deere. It's got 1000 PTO. This is one of my favorite machines to run. This thing's pretty fun to run. We also have a cultivator. A harrow. Haven't used that in a while, but I don't know when we'll use it again. We got our John Deere disc. We got to use this a little bit this year. Got a 1460 International Combine harvester. That's the trick. Got a flat tire on it. We had to move it the other day. We were getting drilled through. Air drill in the yard. Let's hop up in the cab of this 1460 just for fun. Here's our 1460 International harvester. I personally love harvest. My favorite time of the year. I love running this thing. We just got a pickup header. The grain tank. The radio, it would work. Right on. There's our tank. This header and combine did not come with the pickup on the front. Well, I'll show you in a second. Oh, this is a Westward pickup on a case header, or international or whatever it is. The original, well, we used to have a different header on this. I can show you the other header, but we broke the auger on the other one. So we took so we just bought that header without the belts on the front, and we took our old belts and put them on that one. And then you guys were like, but I thought I saw new belts on there. You told me we didn't come with cluster bolts. Well, then those belts went out, so we went and bought those belts. So now, oh sorry, the wind is probably, you guys can probably barely hear me here. So we had to go buy those belts because I can't remember what happened to the other one. Here's our disc we had to fix. We have to do some work on here. It's a Versatile. I don't actually know how wide that is. There's an old Massey Ferguson swather. Hold tight. There's a rock picker in the snow there. Old one. Okay. I'll see you guys at the next. Here we go. Here we got a swather mover. We use this to haul our swather around. Been good to us. We had to get it welded up a little bit last year, I think. We got a sling auger we use. 540 PTO, obviously. Use that. Not too bad condition. This, my dad traded in, and he's gonna take it back. It's just a piece of junk. The engine's garbage. We got our 2 bigger spins here. I don't know how big they are. And we got another smaller bin here. Here we got our 2320 flex coil with our 5000 air drill. Just got it in the yard to work on it. We gotta get in back here to get to the engine hoist so we can pull the engine out of that Suburban on this. Here's the truck again that we have to put the transmission in. This is our service truck, obviously. A little vise on the side. There's the slip tank. Here's our Massey Ferguson 550. Got a 3800 on wheels with creep panels. Got our Ford truck. Here's our postal digger. We got an A-frame. Got a Yukon. Everything under the sun. That's us. We got a aluminum trailer here. We got a red